We begin with bail, from Old French bailler, meaning to deliver or hand over. Law lexicon, bail is security for the appearance of the accused released pending trial. Blacks, a security, money or bond, often required to release a prisoner. The Supreme Court in Gurbakh Singh held that bail sets a detained person at liberty on security. BNSS defines bail as release on conditions upon execution of a bond or bail bond. Bail bond means release with surety, bond means a personal undertaking without surety. The CRPC lacked these definitions, BNSS explicitly introduces them. BNSS Section 2(1)(a) defines audio-video electronic means to include video conferencing, recording, transmission. This enables remote hearings, judges, counsel, witnesses joining from locations. Use cases include remote court proceedings, witness testimony, interrogations and arraignments. Inmate arraignments via video reduce transport, cost and security risks. Attorneys may consult clients remotely for case preparation and legal advice. Judicial training and professional development are also supported through these means. BNSS permits recording of search and seizure procedures by audio-video means. Investigating officers may record statements via audio-video methods. Recorded materials are to be forwarded to the magistrate without delay. Courts or police may compel production of devices holding digital evidence. This raises privacy and privilege concerns that investigators must respect. Summons and documents may be served electronically per BNSS rules. BNSS Section 2(1)(y) defines victim as a person suffering loss or injury, including guardians or heirs. Investigation means all evidence collection proceedings by police or authorized persons. Where a special act conflicts with BNSS, the special act prevails. Offenses are classified as bailable versus non-bailable, cognizable versus non-cognizable, compoundable versus non-compoundable. Bailable offenses. Bail is a matter of right, typically punishable with less than 3 years. Examples include bribery, cheating, forgery, death by rash act, public nuisance. Non-bailable offenses, bail is at the court's discretion, often punishable with over 3 years. Examples: murder, rape, robbery, criminal breach of trust. Cognizable offenses allow police to arrest without warrant and to investigate suo moto. Typical cognizable crimes: murder, rape, dowry death, punishable with 3 years or more. Non-cognizable offenses include cheating, mischief. Police need magistrate permission to investigate. Compoundable offenses can be settled between victim and accused, sometimes with court permission. Examples where compromise may be possible: defamation, criminal trespass, causing hurt. Non-compoundable offenses are too serious to be privately compromised, for example, rape, murder. Section 359 lists compoundable offenses, all others remain non-compoundable. Next, we examine BNSS reforms, FIR, timelines, police powers, and courts. BNSS was enacted to modernize criminal procedure and reduce delays. Key changes include e-FIR registration, limited preliminary inquiry, and zero FIR rules. Preliminary inquiry is limited to cognizable offenses punishable 3 to 7 years and must be completed in 14 days. Zero FIR. Report at any station. The fire is transferred to the station with jurisdiction. E-FIRs can be filed electronically. Electronic reports must be signed within 3 days to be recorded. The informant must receive a free copy of the FAR immediately after it is recorded. If reported orally, the police write, read back the information and have it signed for accuracy. If reported electronically, the complainant must sign within 3 days to formalize the record. If an officer refuses to record an FIR, the informant may approach the superintendent, who must act. Courts have held FIR registration is mandatory, where information discloses a cognizable offense. A valid FIR should record name, address, date, facts, accused details and witnesses if any. BNSS introduces timelines for committal, charge framing and judgments to reduce delay. Committal must be within 90 days, extendable by 180 days in specific circumstances. Judgment in session trials, within 30 days of arguments, with a limited extension on reasons. An arrestee can inform any person, including a lawyer. BNSS allows handcuffing for certain repeat offenders. Police custody can be taken in tranches during the investigative period as per Section 187. Magistrates can attach property identified as proceeds of crime under BNSS. Interim ex parte attachments may be ordered, and proceeds can be distributed to victims. Victim rights include being informed of investigation progress, access to police reports, and hearing before withdrawal. BNSS mandates witness protection schemes and empowers state governments on victim compensation. Courts can seek assistance from foreign authorities to attach or forfeit properties of proclaimed offenders. Section 21 lists courts by which offenses are triable: High Court, Court of Session, and specified courts. High courts and sessions judges may pass all sentences authorized by law. Death sentences require confirmation. Magistrates have graded sentencing powers: Chief JM, First Class, Second Class, with specified limits and community service options. Courts may order concurrent or consecutive sentences, with rules on aggregate limits and appeals. Powers can be conferred, withdrawn, and exercised by successors in office per sections 26 to 29. Criminal procedure ensures fairness, due process, protection of rights, and orderly administration of justice. BNSS seeks faster trials, use of technology, victim protections, and clearer timelines. For exams, focus on definitions, classifications, FIR rules and timelines. Subscribe for a detailed breakdown.